Yes, a travelling match down at Jamaica v Nigeria football match here in Brentford. Stay tuned, boy. It's going to be a roadblock.
On your backs, please, on your backs. Backs, please, on your backs. Right out, please. Stay straight. We went round and then back this way.
Hold on, yeah.
Big up Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. Roadblock. Big up Jamaica.
It's about to be full. For another hour.
Looking good, looking good.
Ready.
Good, good. We're gonna smash it.
Is everybody sitting?
Here's the players.
Deixa eu pôr uma voz.
Your match official referee. I don't know whether you know this or not, but the Jamaicans are louder than the Nigerians, and it's just like that. It's a louder than Nigeria. This is like that. Wanted to test out and see my Jamaicans are in the building, because that was nice, that song. Can I play something for my Jamaican ladies that's in the building? I saw some nice And away.
Taking a breather. It's now full time, but actually it's now penalty shootouts, which we don't want to get to. So it's 2-2, 2-2 Jamaica and 2-2 Nigeria. So penalty shootouts. Just going for a break and going back to which we don't want to see, but it is what it is. Let's return.
It's our pleasure to congratulate Nigeria as the winners, and we welcome singer and songwriter responsible for choosing football elementary and academic. Make some noise for
emphatically again. It's a really good penalty. Ivan Tony watching on. So first up for Nigeria here will be their substitute Kelechi Iheanacho, which has been on too long. Iheanacho also scores in the same way to take their second penalty. Also scores. This time the goalkeeper went the other way. There was a little bit of pressure on his penalty. Simon scores to take on Wavali. Wilson from the spot also scores into the corner. Rokadare next up. Wonderful season he's had in front of goal in Belgium again. 21 times in their top flight. Move over the next one. Also scores in off the post this time. Well, again, nobody moving up top. The stakes just rise that little bit more for every player that steps forward into just his fourth cap today. So their fourth penalty. to miss from the spot. Dwayne Atkinson can't convert for Jamaica, and that could be so costly. 2 minutes go across to console him. That will hurt. It didn't miss by much. All that penalty shootout last week on the Jamaican Premier League. He couldn't convert, so it's advantage Nigeria. If they can from this one on Jamica, does so emphatically, and they're 1 kick away. Thumped in from the fullback for 4-3 Nigeria on penalties. The next one has to go in to give Jamaica any chance. See how much it means, don't you? Roar of relief as much as anything, but the captain to assume responsibility for this. Amari Bell has to score, or the Reggae Boys are beaten. They speak about the great honour of being afforded that captain's armband. Can he keep them in contention in the penalty shootout? Oh, Bell does score with a measure of composure. Precise penalty, didn't necessarily opt for the power, but he picked his spot. Forces Nigeria to win it from the spot. Next kick could be the crucial one. It goes in, Nigeria win the Unity Cup. Just applying that little bit of pressure. Unless this doesn't go in, Christantos Uche on his international debut. He's the one who faces now the potentially decisive penalty. There's pressure on his shoulders certainly. Just to win it. Uche does score, and Nigeria win the Unity Cup. On debut he scores from the spot to settle the shootout. And the Super Eagles have done it. They've done it the hard way, but they have the trophy.